What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 9th of March. It's been a while. We're going to take a look at Arcblock / the USDT this morning. We'll jump over to Bitcoin, share a couple thoughts on the market. It's been a long week here. A lot going on. Big up days, big down days. Let's jump right into it. Welcome to the channel, all of the subscribers, new and current. Appreciate all you guys. Guys, ABT, very orderly pullback here to some levels we're going to talk about that we have talked about in the past. So far, very nice. Not too aggressive here on the pullback. We have some support right at $1.49.800, which is one of our levels. We dipped slightly below that, but not too much. Overall, that's where we found support. That's this yellow dotted line right here. You can see on the 6th, we hit a low of $1.46. My level, like I said, is at $1.49.800. And then so far today, our low is at $1.48. So just above my level at $1.49.800. So I'll keep an arrow right there so you can see that, as well as this current resistance was right at that level. So old resistance, which came in back February, call it February 5th. And once again here on the 21st of February. So old resistance finally flipped back into support. So far, we don't know if this is going to hold or not, but it's a very logical place for price to pull back to, which we have been seeing here, find support, getting ready for that next leg to the upside. At least that's what you are looking for as a bull. I want to get rid of these arrows here. So that is the bullish scenario, guys. And you can see how, let me zoom back in here, how the markets are playing these levels I share. So the price levels I have on the chart are below the market. You look for one, it's a target and also a support level. Then the ones above that are as well a target and a resistance level. So as the market pulls back to these levels, let's say we're pulling back. Well, right now we're actually trading up closer to $1.63.800. So we found support earlier today at the lower target, $1.49.800. And now we're bouncing up to the next one, which is above the market at $1.63.800. Right now we're trading at $1.62.2. So as the market trades around these levels on the chart, we look for them to find either support or resistance for a period of time. That period of time can be, is unknown. That period of time can be a day. It could be a week. That's where you have to be paying attention to the markets, depending on how involved you want to be. And then we look for the market to move beyond or below those levels. So you can see we're kind of just ping-ponging here the past couple days between $1.49.8 and $1.63.8. That's the white level and the yellow level. Also, just keeping it very, very basic here. Let me get the brush tool. We have the stair-stepping pattern to the upside. Pennant, big breakout so far. Pennant. And what comes next? Well, looking for that big breakout, guys, to the upside. So let's talk about that. Have a new target on the screen here. Nothing too crazy, but it's very realistic, assuming markets continue north. That would be $2.87.100. $2.87 right here. That would be in white. So you can see that right here in white. There's a whole cluster of levels here, guys. So I think price will, assuming price continues to the upside, it's going to hit all of these targets. No problem with that, with the highest being 287. So we have to keep an eye on what Bitcoin is doing. That should indicate what Arcblock will more than likely do. But right now, as long as this pullback doesn't start to get too bearish, which it's not, excuse me, then we should see a very nice move to the upside. There's no reason why not. This trend is still higher, and until proven otherwise, there's no reason for me to think, anyways, why it would start to go bearish. So 287 is that new target. Right now we're trading at $1.61.5. If we take our measuring tool, so from where we're currently trading at, guys, to that new target, now we have a lot of other targets below that, all the way down to 243, all the way up to, like I said, 287. So that is going to put the price up about 70, well, it's 78% from where we're currently at today. So if markets exploded higher today for whatever reason, from $1.60 to 287, you're looking at about a 78% move to the upside. And that would just continue the stair-stepping pattern higher, which is what we've seen and should continue unless market conditions change. Something else we could do here to give you a little bit more clear roadmap is we'll take a swing high and a swing low for the Fibonacci levels, excuse me, and you can use this as a gauge or a guide here. So just getting up to the 1618 fib based on the major swing high and swing low would take you to excuse me, the 1618 fib takes you to $3.23 roughly. So a little bit higher than my target, but I think definitely if this thing starts to move, it's definitely realistic. That would be 323, but using the fibs, the 2618 takes you up there at a $5.25. The 3618 takes you, let's see here, at an $8.55 arc block. So my targets are up there at 8 to 10. So you could use these to see what's going on here for this most recent consolidation. If we put the fibs, let's see what the fibs look like. If we can put them on that last swing high and swing low. We'll take. So this gave us a high of that most recent breakout at the 1618. So the 1618 was up here at like 243. And this day right here, the 23rd of February, came in basically at that level. So if we had this on our charts before we got the breakout on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, that would have gave us an area that when markets started to find resistance there, we knew that could have been the top for a while. Use it as an area to take profits. That's one way you could use the fibs, or just as a guide of where the market is more than likely going to top out at. Let me throw the fibs back up here. Let's see here. Fibonacci's. Hope everybody's doing well. I always have links down in the video description. Appreciate if you guys use those. Does help support the channel. Does not cost you guys anything. So like I said, the last move, we topped out at the 1618, at least for now. So if that took place again and markets rallied from here, the 1618, assuming the low is in right now on this pullback, would take you up to $3.27, guys. And that would be, instead of a 78% move, you would be at about 100, call it 100% move from now is very realistic. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. We'll be back with plenty of videos the rest of the weekend. In a couple days, hopefully I'm back here. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Turn the bell on if you want to be notified. Not going to get to Bitcoin in this video, maybe the next one, but at some point we will here. Appreciate it. You guys take care. Let me know your thoughts on Arcblock / the USDT, and this is the Gate.io chart.